fabric stuff.
Boneless.
Yeah?
Good chicken.
Yeah, you see?
Oh, good. I might some. God. Ah. That chicken look good.
Yeah.
I could smell. Wow, this is your store, yeah? Chicken, yeah?
Yeah, curry chicken.
Look good. Wow. That chicken look good?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a fish. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God. I could smell that. You're making me hungry right now, you know? Fish is ready. I can't. Oh, sorry. You right, big man? Look at that. Oh my God. Wow, this is your store, yeah? This one?
Straight to the belly.
So which one is it? Is that pork or chicken?
That is boneless chicken, sir.
Oh, boneless. Oh my God.
Boneless jerk chicken.
That's what my wife likes. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. This is making me feel very hungry. Wow. Boneless chicken there. They have a boneless there for you. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, my general.
Yeah. Yeah, big man. Is the food ready yet?
Yes, ready.
Nice. Indian. Still they'll be Ghana food here.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. Is that Ghana flag? Hello. You alright?
Yeah.
Very good. Price is 70. This one is 70. That's Carnival. People laugh, people smile.
Till about 7 o'clock and they just need to go the fuck home.
We need to, yeah. What? Hello. How are you? Oh my God. Is that, what's that? Is that a bean?
Okay, so rice and beans.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm hungry. You're having, man? Yeah, yeah. Oh my God! video about? Oh my
Yes.
god, what's that?
That's curry goat. This is jerk chicken, rice and peas.
Wow. Smell good.
Uh-huh.
How much is the plate?
Huh?
How much is the plate? The plate?
Hey, nobody, don't film me, mate.
No, yeah, I'm not. You have mask on, you know.
You need one?
Yeah, I just want to see the parade and I'll be back. Yeah?
All right, come back.
Thank you. Food and music.
Food and music. Happiness. One love, Bob Marley.
Sure.
Best jerk chicken in the whole place.
Oh.
Yeah. More fire, more fire.
More fire.
More fire.
Wow. More fire. More fire.
Fire it up, fire it up.
Wow.
Look on that. Nice.
Nice. Guys, you see the process go through making the best chicken? Make sure when you see a jerk chicken, make sure you pay attention and eat it and enjoy it, because look, do you see the process, guys?
Nice.
It's amazing.
Nice.
Nice.
Lovely. Nice and juicy.
Woo-hoo-hoo. That chicken. Wow. Wow, enjoy. Fish and chips. I haven't seen a guy. it together.
Yeah, the first food van of Brixton.
Boneless.
Yeah?
Go chicken.
Yeah, you see? The flag? The flag, them day with the wind rush and all them things there. You see the star on television, yeah? Rastafari. Bless. The whole
Bless.
island. And abroad.
Come get chicken.
Aye. See that? Give them the boneless style.
Yeah.
Boneless
Oh,
style.
look how soft. That's very soft.
Yeah, man. Boneless style. That's another thing.
Wow. That's what we get. Soft. I came here early in the morning. I saw him do that. I said, no, I need to have this. But this is my first time seeing a boneless jack chicken.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's my first time. It's good. Because sometimes you have to try. You have to try different flavors.
Yeah, man, for real.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Guys, make sure you come here. Boneless Caribbean food. Come get some proper chicken.
Rice.
Tell them to come get chicken.
Curry goat and rice, jerk chicken, jelly coconut. Come right here so you get the full works.
We hear from the man.
And you can see me on the YouTube and that. And we do the wind rush and them things there too.
Guys, you hear from the man. Make sure you come here and get some curry goat and proper chicken.
All the people that we cater for, see them on the television. And we see them on.
Amazing, thank you.
You're welcome, my brother.
Let me go get my food.
My lord.
What we getting? Hungry? Thank you.
Can I try one? Huh? Yeah, sure.
Oh my god, babe. It tastes divine. Can we sit there? Oh.
Bit of sauce?
You want sauce?
I recommend the tamarind with a bit of yogurt.
Okay.
Not that one.
You can eat it here. You can eat it. You too.